going to learn comprehensive English. And this is a winnowing basket. I have turned the tap. I turn off the tap. Hello guys, this is Sonam Jayant and this is our 60-day English speaking challenge, and you can see right now I am inside my kitchen and today we will learn kitchen related sentences, and this video is going to be very super useful all the learners who really want to improve their English and who wants to learn in comprehensive English. Yes, you heard it right, because we are going to learn comprehensive English. What is, we will explain in the detail. So you can see this is my kitchen. I am inside the kitchen and let's learn kitchen related words. You can see this is my gas stove area. There is my gas stove, there is a burner, and yeah, let's start. So this is a rolling pin. We roll the chapati with help of this rolling pin, and it's very common. You will get every Indian. It's very useful things. So, and a board, rolling board. We call in Hindi chakla. There. Okay. So this is a ladle, karchi, ladle, and this is a water pot. We call in Hindi lota, lota. And this is a steamer, a skimmer, sorry, a skimmer, chalni. And you can see I hang the other things like jilni. We call in we call in English like a grater. Yeah, we can grate the things, like we can peel the potatoes, we can grate the potatoes, we can we have already learned roller board, and mortar and pestle oakley. And this is a plate. We usually have our dinner, breakfast, whatever we can use help of this plate. So there is tongs also, and there are, and with and this is a winnowing basket. We use this. You can see. So you can see this is a water tap tap, and turn. I'm going to turn on the tap. You can see this is, I have turned the tap. I turn off the tap. I turn on the tap. I turn off the tap. So नल को खोलना और बंद करना. You can see water is flowing. You can see मतलब पानी बह रहा है. Water is flowing. I turn off the tap. So you can see other side of gas stove, left side of gas stove, there we create some space for my daily usage items like lentils. There are some roasted peanuts, like raisins, and roasted makhanas as well. So this is, I have created the rack, and I have put it all the big jars of spices, and below the gas station there is some like a space. You can see I, so this is a space I use for stain the rice, like maar pasana, because in the Indian home, in especially in village, we love consuming rice. So left side of the right side, sorry, right side of the window, you can see there is a refrigerator. So we store vegetables, some fresh vegetables, to get like cold water and ice cubes, and we have keep it side very safe. So the right hand, you can see the right hand of the gas stove, I arranged a small area. You can see this is like a plastic stand. So I have kept all the small pots of spices jars. There is you can see there is a salt, and pepper and cumin powder, and there are a lot of Indian spices. Whatever it is very necessary for Indian, you will get very easily in Indian home. So I have kept here with help of this plastic stand, and yeah, and other side of the right side of we have some we have one window, so it's very good for get the fresh natural sunlight. So yeah, and right side of the window we have a refrigerator here. I will show you. We have a refrigerator here. You can see I have put in all the vegetables. So please do the like, share and subscribe to the channel, because it takes so much efforts, hard work, consistency. Like, there are a lot of things, then you are able to see the video. So please do the like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please continue enjoy the video. Thank you.